Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is the third video of the sheet metal design. Okay, so today we will focus on this flange command. So okay, let's get started. Take this new file, click on the sheet metal and take this OK. And next, first of all, create a planar or primary wall. Select the plane, click on this normal view or sketch plane view. Take this rectangle, center rectangle from here and draw it over here. Next, click on this OK and click on this green mark. Again edit it, right click here, make this sheet with 20 thickness. Okay, click on this green tick mark. Now the sheet is generated or primary wall is generated. Next, click on this flange. Okay, you can create flange on the edges, on upside or below side. Okay, I am going to make on this below side. Select, your flange is generated. Okay, now from here you can change the angle of this flange with respect to this primary wall by dragging here like this also, and you can put the dimension over here by double clicking on this. Okay, you can adjust this height of the secondary wall by dragging this, or you can double click on this and put the value over here and enter. Okay, and put the bend radius. I'm going to make 30. Okay, again make changes, make it 50 like this. Here you can see bend radius. Okay, now in flange command we can see here there are different types of flanges: I flange, arc shape, S, open, flush, joggle, duck, C and Z. Okay, now this is the first one, I type, and this is the second one, arc type. Okay, in this you can change, like you can see the changes here. Like this. Okay, and from here you can also change the height, angle and like this. You can make this curve also. And the next one is S shape. Okay, in this S shape you can modify the dimension like this. You can drag it, you can put the values over there. And like this. Like this. Okay, and next we will move on this open. This is open shape with respect to primary wall, and you can change or modify the dimension according to your drawing. Okay, and we'll next see this flushed. Okay, this is attached to the primary wall like this. You can change the length of this by dragging here and putting value. And then next is joggle. Okay, and click on this right plane. Here you can see this joggle. Okay, and the next is duck. Here is the duck. like this. These are the system generated shapes for the flange, different types of flanges. According to customer drawing, you have to make and put the values according to dimension as per drawing, like this. These are control points. And next we will move on this. This is the C type shape, like this. You can see clearly over here, like this. And you can change the distance between this by dragging here. And this is the Z shape. Okay, here you can see. Like this, you can make the changes. And next, the last one is user defined. For this, here we have shape. You can modify dimension in this drawing or in this Z. Click on sketch. Okay, click on this right plane. Okay, like this. Click on the through reference sketch. Okay, now you can able to make the changes in this drawing, like this. You can put the value and drag the like this. Okay, click on the OK, and it will automatically regenerate for me like this. So this is all about this command. Click on this green mark. Okay, and this is the third video, and we will complete this flange command, and we will explain in deep this all the commands also, what is the purpose of this and how to draw the different drawings of the sheet metal by using these commands. Okay, thank you very much friend for watching this video.